Today's PT Monday is about something I used to see every week in the clinic, but almost nobody talks about it until it's too late. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it starts long before you ever feel weak. Most people think muscle loss begins in their 70s and 80s. It doesn't. It begins in your 30s, accelerates in your 40s and 50s, and becomes life-changing in your 60s and beyond. And here's the part most people never hear. You don't notice sarcopenia until 30 to 40% of your muscle is already gone. And here's the even bigger secret. And this is what physical therapists see every day. You don't lose all muscle equally. You lose the fast twitch fibers first. Your muscle has two major types of fibers. First, the slow twitch fibers. They're great for endurance, standing, walking, and posture. There's a lot of muscles working for me to hold my head up and to hold my trunk up to be standing here. They're steady, they're reliable, and they fatigue slowly. Now, fast twitch fibers, there are power fibers. These are responsible for strength, quick reactions, stepping responses, climbing stairs, and catching yourself when you trip. And here's the problem. Fast twitch fibers are the very ones that decline the fastest after the age of 40. This is why older adults fall. It's not because they're tired, it's not because they're clumsy, but because they can't react fast enough to stop the fall. A stumble becomes a fall because the fast twitch fibers aren't strong enough to fire quickly and stabilize the body. And metabolic health plays a huge role here. Insulin resistance accelerates fast twitch fibers loss. Those fibers need metabolic flexibility, and when insulin is high and the muscle is overloaded, those fibers atrophy, get smaller and weaker even faster. But here's the good news. You can train fast twitch fibers at any age. I did it all the time, every day with my patients. Here's how. Number 1, power-based strength training. You don't need Olympic lifts, just intent. Move the weight with a bit of speed on the way up. So instead of like this, you're going to do a burst. Other examples are from sit to stand with a quick rise, step ups with a strong push, light dumbbells lifted with controlled power. It's not heavy, it's not dangerous, it's about the speed of the contraction. Second, you can do reactive step training. This was one of my clinical staples. Practice stepping quickly in different directions, forward, backwards, sideways. You're teaching your body, if I trip, step. This directly trains your fall prevention response. The third one, stair or hill bursts. Short, controlled bursts of stair climbing trains fast twitch fibers safely. Just a few steps done with intention can make a massive difference. Number 4, carrying and lifting. Carrying groceries, laundry baskets, light weights, train the hip and legs, the areas where fast twitch loss hits the hardest. And then number 5, short movements that require quick engagement. Things like heel raises with a quick lift, mini jumps for those who can, marching with high fast knees, quick taps onto a low step. These are the exact fibers that protect you when you slip. So here's your PT Monday takeaway. Sarcopenia isn't just muscle loss. It's the loss of the fast twitch power fibers that keep you stable, mobile, and independent. Protein builds the muscle, strength training maintains it, but fast twitch training protects you from falls. You're never too old to build muscle, but you can be too late to protect it if you don't start now. Stay strong, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next Daily Spoonful.